Today, I'm going to show you how long it takes to assemble this bar cart. I got it in blue. It comes in all different colors. I did get this from the company for free, and I'm going to do a very honest review on this bar cart. I put this together with the tools that came in the box, and this took me about 30 minutes to do it. I finally got the wheels on. I had to get my husband to help me because they weren't screwing in correctly. It was the front two. So now I'm gonna put this on. This is to hold beverages, bigger things. So now it's all ready. There's the bar cart. These will hold glasses. That will hold bigger items. It's a picture of the final product. I think it turned out great. It looks good out here. Perfect. This bar is lightweight and it does come in pretty colors.